Hey guys, what's up? So this is day 2 in Baroda. We are right now having breakfast. Well, I'm done. I'm also having this watermelon juice. So yes guys, the flight was amazing. As you saw my reaction. There's a cricket match also playing over there. And this is my mom, this is my dad. They're all eating breakfast. And there are so many families over here. And there's a lot of stuff over here. And also I forgot to mention Happy Independence Day to all of you. So yes guys, I'll meet you in some time. Guys, you know I'm today also going to the Statue of Unity, the tallest statue in India, probably. So yes, we're going there at around 12:30. Yeah, we're going there. There's also Baskin Robbins over here. Last night I had dinner, and after dinner I had some Baskin Robbins. There's some cakes over here also. There is a real breakfast over there, and here are the fruits. So yeah guys, I'll see you in some time. Okay, hey guys, so yes, this is a room. Me and my father are watching YouTube, VM vlogs and gaming. Remember this earlier video? No, turn up the sound. Remember this video? Yeah guys, so a video in a video. So yes guys, this is the room over here. The doors are actually very heavy. Look at this view. Isn't it cool guys? So right now we're going to the Statue of Unity. So I'll meet you in the car. Okay, hey guys, so we're meeting some people and look at the decorations. So right now we're going to the Statue of Unity, so I'll meet you in the car. Okay guys, so we've ordered the taxi and we're right now leaving the hotel. I'll see you in the Statue of Unity. Guys, I just found it's a 2-hour drive. Oh my god. Guys, look at the Statue of Unity. It's the back
ચાર ગાડી છે પાછળ વાઈટ બે ડિઝાયર છે ને એક આ પીવાય.
It's the back of the Statue of Unity. Look at that. We'll soon go there. Right now we're going to a dam.
ચારે ચાર સળંગ જ છે.
I'm gonna take you there.
ये नर्मदा रिवर से उस साइड तुमको खाने खाना जाना.
So yeah guys, my friends are behind us and yes, there's a lot of sunlight here also. Yes, I'll see you at the dam. Guys, we're going to the turbine of the dam. Look at the tunnel. Oh my god. Behind us our friends are coming, my friends, so and their mom and dad, and yeah, this is inside the dam, you know that guys.
मैंने बोला ही नहीं उसको.
Oh my, where the electricity is made guys.
कितना पुराना है डैम? जब डैम बना था तब.
हाँ डैम बनाया तब से. अभी तो ये पूरी बिजली है ना महाराष्ट्र.
Hey guys, so this is actually the turbines. So right over there, if you can see that spinny thing, like which is spinning, where the water is flowing and then the electricity is making. That spinny thing is this. Yo, you can hear the sound also. Well, it's electricity. Yeah, dude. Oh my god. So guys, there's actually a lot of water coming from there and like that, and that is spinning and creating electricity like shown over there. So that thing, we just passed through that tunnel, like just vlog that you remember. So yeah dude, this is so cool. I'm actually enjoying this a lot. Guys, this is the dam. And that's the water which is flowing very fast, and there must be the turbines all behind this. Guys, are you seeing this? This is so cool, right? Oh my god. Guys, now we're on top of the Sardar Sarovar Dam. And look at the beautiful
कभी नहीं आते
mountains
इसके बाद जिंदगी में इधर तो
and the water. Look at that dude. Sardar Sarovar. Okay guys, we're going to have tribals food over here. We just have to go straight. Yeah, and the time is 1500 and 900 hours. That means 3-9. So yeah guys, we're gonna have tribals lunch. So I'll see you there. Okay guys, so we're at this tribal place. It actually looks tribal. I mean, look at the chairs, dude. And around us is all greenery. And yeah guys, I'll meet you when the food comes. Okay guys, so we're starting off with some crispy stuff, chips, right? So yeah.
You want dal?
Yeah, I'll take that. Okay guys, we've had our food. Right now we're on the road. We're actually going to Selfie Point then for 10 minutes, and then we're going to Jungle Safari, which they'll give us 1 hour. So my friends are over there in the car, and they're behind us, way behind us. They're also gone to the washroom. So we're just waiting for them. So yeah. Guys, so yeah, we're at the selfie point. It's written best view here. I don't know if it's actually the best, but we'll see. Oh my god, guys, you can see the face of the Statue of Unity. That's the best view, dude. And there's so much greenery over here. This is actually the best view. I mean, look at that, dude. Look at that.
तू उसी से बात कर रहा होगा, मैं जानता हूँ, जब मैं तेरे को कॉल कर रहा हूँ. मैम आप इस साइड आओ और थोड़ा सा बच्चों को बीच में रखो.
Guys, I am literally surrounded with bushes over here. I can get myself hurt anywhere. Like, there are little thorns over here, dude.
ये आ रहा है भाई, मेरा ऐसे ही लेना.
But there is grass over there, and there is
Big
the
smile.
Statue of Unity over here.
Come here and take it.
आ जाओ आदि.
Still worth it, dude. Okay, friends, we've left that best point. It was actually the best point. We could see the Statue of Unity. So right now we're going for the jungle safari. So I'll meet you there. Okay guys, the boys have sat in the golf cart. So we're actually in the back of it, like there's like a balcony type over here to actually save us. But this is too far. So what if we get flown off over here? Because there's no seat belts or anything. Dude.
We will get eaten by the...
Eaten. Yeah. We might.
We might.
We actually might.
Must be. Today can be last video.
Yeah. So guys, if I end up not uploading for a long time, please call the police. I'm just joking. So yes guys, I'll meet you in some time. Guys, look at the white tiger. Oh my god, did you just see that move? Did you just see that? Like, dude, let's go a bit forward. Oh my god. Wait for it. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Dude, he's trying to get in the cage or do something. Now he's behind this thing. Did you see that? Oh my god. Oh my god, did you see that? Whoa. White tiger. Guys, look at the leopard. He's sitting and relaxing, dude. Oh my god, he's looking at us. Looking at that side. Oh my god. Guys, look at that leopard, dude. He's just relaxing and sitting. Yep. Now I spotted him. Oh my god, are you seeing that? He's sitting on the wood. Guys, look at that panther. Look at it. Wait, I'll just zoom in. Look at that. It looks like a big black cat. Look at that, dude. Wow, isn't it nice? Oh my god, I'm loving this. Guys, if you can see, there's a little white line now. Look, I'm zooming into his face. Dude. Hey, you, he looked at me. Are you seeing that? Okay, guys, look at that. The lioness. Brother lioness. Look at that, guys. Look at that. I mean, they're just sitting and relaxing. Oh my god. Yep. It's so cool. They're just sitting and they have built a whole like couch thing over here, dude. Oh, one got up. He's climbing down for prey. Guys, that whatever that is, it's right in front of my face, guys. I mean, look at that. Guys, though that's a giraffe. And there's some other animals over there also. Look at that. Oh my god. And there's that side also, some animals. Yo, dude. Guys, if you can see, there's a little python over here. This thing.
It's big, not little.
Small
It's a sea
python.
pig.
Dude, look at that. Look at that. Hey, you. Look at that. Hey, you.
Does he like to be in the camera?
That's a ball python.
I don't know. I think he does. He's just chilling. Whoa. Guys, look at this. Oh my god. Look at that. Are you seeing that? Oh my god, his mouth is open. Hey dude, how you doing? You seem to doing just fine. Look at that.
I think we just ate something.
Dude, yeah. Okay guys, so yeah, we're leaving this. Now we're going to go to the Statue of Unity. So guys, I'll meet you there. Guys, we are so close to the Statue of Unity. This is actually amazing, guys. Like
Statue in the world.
oh my god. Or maybe in India only. They're filming some kind of thing. Whoa. Look at that, dude. Okay, guys. After seeing this, we're turning back. So, and heading home. So, yes, guys. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.